synchronized but not same time. So, Christine, what you did is like this here. You are totally synchronized, but the timing is off. Now we don't care about the synchronization. It's everything has to happen like 1, 2, 1, 2. Whether the connection is good, we don't care. And later on, we only do the connection. Whether the timing is good, we don't care. But these things are very, very elusive because it will look the same. So if you touch back bottom, touch here. Bottom and this one down to feel, catch here. And at this time, am I doing it right? Doesn't matter. But I want the same time to happen. But it could be that no connection. No connection. This is wrong. But the timing is, you say, oh yeah, same time. But this time, I don't care about the time. So a little bit stronger. And same now. Now this you feel. Can you see? The connection is there. So we have to separate. Connection is called synchronization. Time is that whatever happens, everything has to finish at the same time. So it's like I used to say syncopation. Like there are two groups singing, but we have to start together, end together. In between, we're moving around. We're switching. But that's too complex. Let's do it like right now, just 1, 1, 1, like that. Yeah, the moves are not synchronized, but the timing is synchronized. We don't worry. Okay. We only want to finished. Relax, finished. Yeah. Okay.